Hello boys and girls. In today's Spanish lesson our learning objective is to build a conversation. First of all, I'd like you to think about what greetings do we know. You might want to pause the video while you have some time to think. Here are some that I think you might have come up with. Hola, which means hello. Buenos dias, which means good morning. Gracias, which means thank you. Adios, which means goodbye. Think about what questions we know. We've been working on some questions over the last couple of weeks. Think about which questions might help us to build a conversation. Pause the video if you need some time to have a think. Here are some that I think you might have come up with. ¿Qué tal? Which means how are you? ¿Cómo te llamas? Which means what is your name? ¿Qué día es hoy? Which means what day is it today? Now here's some new vocabulary that you might want to use as part of your conversation. And it's a simple phrase, it's ¿y tú? And it means what about you? And you'll use this after you've answered a question that someone's asked you, to ask them the same question that they've just asked you. So if somebody said to you, ¿Cómo te llamas? They'll be asking you, what's your name? And then you would answer them, and then you would say, ¿y tú? Which means you're asking them also, what is their name? Now your task is to use the speech bubbles that have been provided on the sheet in your pack to help you to build a conversation. I'd like you to cut out the speech bubbles and put them on either side for the two different participants in the conversation. Before you stick them into place, check that they make sense, and then you can practice your conversation with a partner if you have them at home. You may want to add your own sentences as well as the ones provided. Here's what a good one will look like. Hola. Hola, buenos días. Buenos días, ¿qué tal? Muy bien, ¿y tú? Fantástico. ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es lunes. Gracias, adiós. Adiós. Now have a go at making your own conversation. I can't wait to see what you build.